Could RNA hold the keys to immortality? Hey everyone, I'm Barry, I'm a scientist that studies aging, and I'm going to be on here talking about simple BS-free science. Just to explain RNA real quick, like DNA, RNA carries genetic information, but instead of storing it long-term, it acts as a messenger that tells cells which proteins to make. And so what makes RNA unique is the fact that it's a flexible structure, which allows it to fold, move, and interact with other molecules, making it an incredibly versatile type of technology for use in therapeutics. So in terms of therapeutics, the first class is called an activating RNA, in which you have a double-stranded RNA that is processed in the cell, which then guides a complex into the nucleus for mRNA transcription. The second class of RNA therapeutics is mRNA, in which you kind of skip this whole step of RNA activating here, and you have the mRNA of the protein that you're interested in, and so you then encapsulate this mRNA into this lipid nanoparticle, which facilitates the cell's uptake of it, and so the mRNA then gets translated into the cytoplasm for direct protein translation. In addition to RNA being able to synthesize proteins, RNA can also be used to get rid of mRNA transcripts, which effectively stop the protein translation process. And so one of the pathways to do this is the siRNA and mRNA. So these two do the same similar function in which they degrade and prevent protein translation. I'm going to be skipping through this mechanism here because it's quite complicated, but yeah, siRNA and mRNA are just RNA transcripts that are used to completely stop mRNA translation. So given RNA's ability to degrade and promote protein translation, you can kind of see now why RNA is such an important use in therapeutics, because in diseases, right, you have mutations in genes, and these genes encode for proteins that are used for certain functions. And so when you have mutations in genes and in proteins, these proteins don't work as they're supposed to. And so what RNA can be used for is they can upregulate or increase the synthesis of properly functioning proteins to make up for the shortcomings of the mutation in your gene sequence. And so I just want to go to this figure here talking about these different hallmarks of aging that scientists have classified. And as you can see, there are a lot of RNA's technologies that have been used to tackle one of these, actually all of these hallmarks of aging, which is very promising. Additionally, cardiovascular diseases, neurodegenerative diseases, right, Alzheimer's diseases, all these diseases that are associated with these different tissue malfunctions, you can see here that a variety of RNAs are also used to combat a lot of the diseases, which really emphasize the strength of RNA technology in treating and curing effectively diseases that are occurring in humans, in people. And so I just want to draw attention to a current RNA therapeutic under development, which is an mRNA technology. This is known as TRN-01, and I think this is such a fascinating RNA therapeutic under development right now because it tackles old skin. So when you age, right, your skin loses hair, it gets wrinkled, pigmented, thinning, and current trials have shown that administration of this mRNA-based therapeutic has been shown to increase and reverse the hair loss. So you have hair growth, a more smooth epidermis compared to rough epidermis that accompanies aging. You also have more even skin tone,